So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting this little warning or pop-up that tells you that you need to basically unplug your charger immediately on your Samsung device. Now, number one, the very first thing to keep in mind here is that if you're running into this type of situation, I would recommend going through and unplugging your iPhone directly from the charger. So go through, unplug your Samsung phone, not your iPhone, from the charger. And then what you want to do is you want to basically look closely at that charger port and make sure there's not any moisture or any water or anything like that, even remotely close inside of that type of device. For a lot of people, you might be running into that type of problem. And that is basically the very first thing I'd recommend kind of keeping your eye out for. So make sure that's not the reason why you're running into this type of issue. Now also take a look at your charger that you're using. No matter what charger you're using, making sure that there's not any issues going on with that type of charger, because that can also very well be the main problem you're running into here too. So go through, just make sure you're not running into any problems with the moisture being on the charger. Now, give it a few moments. Let your Samsung phone kind of sit there in some like room temperature situation. And then what you want to do is when you're ready, plug your phone back in and see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't end up doing it, what you're going to want to do here is make your way over to your Samsung settings. Scroll down until you find software update right here. Go and update your phone, download and install. See if there's an update available. If there is, update your phone, and that can very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are just a few ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.